What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started with today's video, I want to put out a call to action, something like that. I want to try to get 1,000 subs. If you give me 1,000 subs, I will cam my S14 and document it on the way. Alright, today we're going to take a look at the normal stock K824DE transmission shift boot. And if you're a 240 owner and you have a stock manual transmission, you know how those leak and smells like oil in your car. This is how to fix that. So these rubber boots, shift rubber boot, is known to leak and crack. I come over here to the car, and the other day there was a giant puddle of gear oil sitting in there. Kind of have it propped up to let it dry. If I pull it down, and you can see that it's just cracked and it's just flimsy. It just pops off so easy. So hopefully this one will take care of that. So from inside, you just slide it right off. Just look how tore up and nasty that is. That just allows the gear oil to come up through the shifter. You get the new one. Look at that, there's an F for the front. So that goes to the front. Just slide it on. It's nice and tight. Really tight. The gear oil up the hole. Much better. Get a little oil on the hole. There's a little lip on the bottom that fits around it. When it's on, it's nice and snug. Take a look at the new one. Nice and snug right there. Nice and snug on the bottom. A lot of people will zip tie around the bottom to hold it in, but since this is brand new, I think it'll hold pretty well. Here's a closer look at the old one. If you see it, just all mangled mess. You can see this shift boot still okay, so just put it back on. Here's the boot part number. Order that part number. I got mine for $11, free shipping from eBay. Once again, I appreciate it if you could help me get to 1,000 subs. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Later.